Akiaria hindi ya Kigomano Kia RIERA Kia Cop28 mwena wa Dubai, President wa bũrũri wa Kenya William RUTO nĩkĩtĩrĩtana kũrĩ mabũrũri kũgĩa na ũrũmwe na kũhũrana na ũgarũrũku wa maũndũ ma bũrũri ũrĩa rĩu mathĩna marĩa maumanaga na ũgarũrũku ũyũ makĩonekana.
The reality before us is irrefutable. According to the latest UN data, unless there is a significant and radical shift in our economic and industrial patterns, we are hurtling at a perilous velocity on a trajectory towards the dire scenario of a world that is warmer by 3 degrees Celsius. This crisis must never be seen as a distant threat. It is here now, indiscriminately devastating nations regardless of their size or wealth, thereby reshaping our world in a profound, unprecedented, and highly complicated ways.
Oho ni ugite uthukangu wa rĩera gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika, andũ makĩria maigana rĩa 40 magĩkua kumana na mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkiura. RUTO ugite nĩ ihinda rĩu mabũrũri gũkorwo makĩetha njĩra ingĩ cia kũng'ethanĩra na ũthũkangu wa rĩera.
A stark illustration of this disastrous turn of events is currently unfolding in Eastern Africa, where catastrophic flooding has swiftly followed the most severe drought the region has seen in over 40 years.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo, President nĩ ahoete Afrika yothe gũkorwo ĩkĩrũmbũiya mũbango kuona atĩ nĩ gũkorwo gĩteithĩrĩria harĩ ũrĩithi wa irio. Atongoria angĩ a mabũrũri matiganĩte nĩ mateterithĩtie bata wa ũrũmwe wa bũrũri maya kũnyitana harĩ kũng'ethanĩra na ũgarũrũku ũyũ.
Turning Africa into a green powerhouse is not just essential for the continent, it is also vital for global industrialization, decarbonization. Going forward, clear, actionable roadmaps for implementations are required. We must establish a new global financing pact which ensures that no country is ever forced to choose between its development aspirations and necessary climate action.
Thutha wa mũcemanio ũyũ, President William RUTO nĩ ahoete andũ gũikara na ũrũmwe na kũrĩa o mũndũ gwĩtĩkĩra mogarũrũku marĩa makũrehwo gũkũ, akiuga gũgũkorwo na ũgarũrũku harĩ maũndũ ma rĩera.
So allow me to have a message for fossil fuel company leaders. Your old world is rapidly aging. Do not double down on an obsolete business model. Lead the transition to renewables using the resources you have available.
Surely, real action is required to stem the growing toll of its most vulnerable victims.
Ngiribotera Muthengi TV, njĩtagwo Jerry Wadongo.